Hello, it is officially one of those days when I look like a homeless wreck. So I'm not going to show you myself, but something else. So right now it's time for a season recommendation, which is Arya. I just started watching this and I'm sure that you must have seen this actor from some, that sad song जो हम लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना है, Sushmita Sen. This actor as well, ये वाला भी कोई ना कोई villain बन के आता है काफ़ी दफ़ा. So this is the series Arya और इसके 2 seasons आ चुके हैं, which is the best part. You can actually binge watch it as much as you want. क्या acting की है सुष्मिता ने? I wasn't expecting that. That's the name. And no, it's not on Netflix. You'll have to stream it and watch it. But क्या season है? It's thriller. And मज़ा आ गया मुझे. मैंने अभी रिसेंटली चेकआउट किया तो इसकी IMDb पे भी रेटिंग 7.9 है. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था. I just started watching it. लेकिन my god, take my recommendation for this one and watch it. You will love it if you like thriller, mysteries and stuff like that. मैं अभी इसका दूसरा सीजन देखने शुरू करने वाली हूँ. Hello, it's time to get ready for the Qawwali and this is what my outfit looks like. I'm in love with it honestly. Yeah, wow, मेरा जो पाँव का शॉट था, but like, can you look at this? This is so beautiful. This is from Shiza Ahmed label and she actually arranged this dress for me on such a short notice कि मैं बता नहीं सकती. This is so beautiful and the cut went so well with me, I can't tell you. And that is the chunri और गोटे का दुपट्टा. It looks beautiful. मैं शायद हाँ, check that out. That's the gota and that is how beautiful it looked. क्योंकि बहुत सारे colors थे इसके अंदर, so it obviously popped. But thank you so much Shiza Ahmed label for this dress because this dress was beautiful and very Qawwali appropriate honestly. Hello, so right now we're all good to go for the Qawwali, good to go to the Qawwali and अभी मैं एक बहुत ही घर वालों के बीच में वाले situation में हूँ. They will keep talking, I will keep doing my thing, I will keep vlogging, but I'm ready and I'll show you what's happening inside today. By the way, is it just me or all your family panics while going someplace? कितनी देर है? कब तक पहुँचेंगे? कैसे पहुँचेंगे? Because that's exactly what happens every day. Mama? Oh my God, अच्छा बस bye. I cannot keep vlogging while my family talks.
And talks very, very
embarrassing
and critical talks.
So why critical? Don't be so critical about everybody. Oh my God. But anyway, so this is what the look looks like today. अंदर जाके मैं properly दिखाऊंगी what my outfit is and who the Qawwal is. That's the best part.
अपने डैडी के बारे में
अच्छा, मम्मा मुझे अपनी शो ऑफ टॉकीज बता रही है, मैं तब तक जा रही हूँ. बाय. So these are the situations right now. So यहाँ पर फुल फैमिली शॉट्स चल रहे हैं. ये हमेशा वाली सेल्फीज होती हैं that are really really important to take, especially with समी भाई and मायदा भाभी. वो मेन होता है, मैं बताती हूँ. Let's vlog and talk about it क्योंकि हम last time भी जलेबी vlog में साथ थे. So
Oh my God, jalebis.
yes, and Malpura vlogs. So we
What
were
do you
like,
think आज क्या होगा dessert में? Obviously have a sweet tooth, right? So
who do you
maybe-
think the Qawwal is going to be though?
Ah, that's the right question.
That is the right question. मेरे बाल एक सेकंड पकड़ना. पता नहीं क्यों खराब हो गए.
हमने multiple choice.
नहीं किया ना, करना
Multiple
चाहिए.
choice नहीं, कौन से हैं?
हाँ वैसे who do you think, यार वैसे टाइटल में पढ़ ही लेंगे. Do you think मैं इतनी शोधी नहीं मारूंगी उस चीज़ के ऊपर? I'll eventually be like hello, he's coming.
But सब बहुत excited हैं, so I think you can imagine who it can be.
Yeah, and look at the setup by the way. It's really pretty. Went very well for my black dress though. But ये situations हैं. अब हमें टेबल ढूंढना चाहिए because हम जल्दी तो आ गए हैं ताकि हमें seats मिल जाएं. But eventually होगा यही that we won't find any space then. Let's go. नहीं सही है. I'm honestly happy that I took my own tip and I didn't wear heels because इतना लंबा walk करके we had to come here at the food area. कि I was like अगर मैंने heels पहनी होती तो फिर मैं घर जाके McDonald's ही order करती because मैं खाना खाने नहीं आती. I wouldn't have come this far to be very honest. I just wouldn't. हम लोग सबसे पहले बच्चे बन के इधर आके बैठ गए just so that we can fit here and hear everything बाद में. सबसे आगे अब copyright strike लगे उससे पहले I'm going. Bye. अब यहाँ पर
everyone to come now so we can start the Qawwali.
So, take care of your belongings. आप लोग के ladies के the crew members of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan.
हम इतना वेट करा रहे हैं एंट्रेंस के लिए. we're still sitting and waiting कि बस जल्दी से एंट्री हो जाए because this is exciting for real. Let's see what happens.
Nine,
8,
guys were able to hear me पहले because there was a lot of noise in the background. अब जाके event खत्म हुआ है. अब मेरे कानों में literally पी की आवाज़ें बज रही हैं. Can you imagine that? But yeah, it's happening. तो बस अब घर जाने लगे.
It's time to leave, गाड़ी.
Let's go finally. मैं कर्ले शर्ले बना के आई थी, सब खुल गए, सब. क्या फायदा हुआ इतना सब करने का? बनवाए
और कुछ नहीं बचा इसका.
मेरे तो भाई अब मैं अगली बार से सिर्फ बात स्ट्रेटन करके आऊंगी. दैट्स इट.
मैं बंद करके आऊंगी.
हाँ वैसे मुझे बंद करने चाहिए फॉर अ फैक्ट. चलो I'll catch you guys later. Bye. You can hear that the event is now over. Now I'll catch you guys at home because you've probably had quite a lot of fun with me in this event. So let's catch you guys at home. So guess what? I'm finally here to watch Spider-Man, and God knows how badly I've been waiting for this. But finally the time's come. Itne time baad it feels normal looking at people around over here. Like lots of them. Actually lots of them. So that's actually a good sight. Now let's see how the movie turns out. And now our popcorns are all ready. 6:30 already हो गए हैं and we have to be there. मगर यहाँ पर पता नहीं क्यों कार्ड एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. So we had to run to the ATM to get money to get popcorn because you know popcorn के बगैर Marvel is not enjoyable. So
I think we can show this letter to my parents.
guys, everyone's going and they don't know कि post credits भी होते हैं. If you're a true Marvel fan, I know कि अभी post credits आएंगे, so I'm sitting and waiting for that. So let me tell you how that entire experience was really, because I've personally seen a movie in a cinema after. This is actually the first time that I saw it after coming back to Karachi, which is very surreal because जब मैं पहले आ रहती थी, मैं इधर आती रहती थी, and this used to be one of the places I used to hang out. लेकिन अब वो नहीं हो रहा था. So it's been really long since this has even happened, and I actually loved it. I did. This was a good one. The movie, there were a lot of parts that you will love if you're a Marvel fan because so many entries of all of our favorites. Not giving any spoilers here, not doing it. Watch it for yourself, you're gonna find out. Back home just in time to vlog this bit. And उस वक्त मैं बात ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रही थी because बहुत पीछे म्यूज़िक बज रहा था and I was like नहीं यार copyright strike लग जाएगा तो फिर तो मेरी बैंड बज जाएगी. By the way, yeah, I even cut my finger today with a tinkle razor. Please comment down below and let me know अगर आप लोगों के साथ भी होता है because this happens with me almost every time. Not just with me, even with Boo, even with anybody else who I know uses a tinkle razor. मतलब सीधा सीधा आप खोप देते हो उसको अपने अंदर. क्यों? I don't know. खैर, that's very different. What I was talking about was कि literally 2 साल बाद मुझे यहाँ पे आए हुए almost 2 साल हो गए अब. And 2 साल बाद पहली बार सिनेमा में मूवी देखने गई. Although in 2 साल के अंदर मैंने सारा मार्वल यूनिवर्स देखा properly. I hadn't watched it before this. I know I'm so weird. Oh my god, but yeah, I hadn't watched it before this. शायद मैंने वो बचपन वाली Spider-Man देखी होगी and that is it. कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. So I caught up on all of my Marvel movies and I also caught up on some of DC. Batman की जो वो पूरी trilogy है, The Dark Knight Rises वाली, that is literally my favorite. So that's literally a favorite movie. वैसे and that Batmobile, oh my god, मुझे कोई ला दे वो. खैर, so it was so much fun. It felt normal after ages. Like अब वो feeling आ रही है, you know, like वैक्सीनेटेड हो जाने के बाद और सुकून से अब जिंदगी गुजार पाने के बाद अब फील हो रहा है कि हाँ यार थिंग्स आर फाइनली कमिंग बैक टू नॉर्मल. मतलब अलॉट, आई मीन आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट द प्रॉब्लम्स आर स्टिल नॉट देयर, दे आर, बट एटलीस्ट वी कैन स्टार्ट लिविंग आवर लाइव्स safely for sure. Lekin people are getting married. I know that that's a lot of crowd. I do know because I've filmed the Qawwali bit myself, so I know how much crowd there was. I do know. But you know, like people are getting married, cinemas khul gaye, you can sit in restaurants, you can finally dress up, schools khul gaye, the jobs are finally back to normal. काफी सारी चीजें बेहतर हुई है, which feels like ठीक है, हम लोग आगे जाते जा रहे. So the new year coming, the coming new year doesn't feel so bad anymore. I'm glad it doesn't because पहले तो बहुत ये जो पूरा 2 साल का पूरा टाइम गुजरा है, I don't even remember this really. मतलब घर में कमरे में that's all it was. सफाइयाँ करते हुए, मास्टर शेफ करते हुए और इस तरह की चीज़ें करते हुए गुजरा है. But like finally a good ending to the whole year. I'm so glad about that. really looking forward to the next year though. Inshallah it will bring a lot of good things for all of us. Inshallah. Just say inshallah and then you're also making a prayer saath. So hopefully it will bring the best for all of us. I have almost 3 to 4 vlogs to edit. तो मैं अभी वो सारे बैठ के edit करूँगी and I'm just going to schedule them on uploading because उसके अलावा मुझे time नहीं मिलने वाला. आज मैं सही time पे भी घर आ गई हूँ and I can easily just edit them and upload them. और शायद मैं रात के 4 बजे उनको अपलोडिंग पे लगाऊंगी because है आज क्या डेट है? हाँ 25 को मेरा जो I have such weird problems man. 25th को मेरा जो वो Zong की डिवाइस है that's going to end. Like the subscription for the month is going to end. और मेरे 4 AM से लेके जो 8 AM का जो टाइम है उस स्लॉट के मेरे पता नहीं को कितने 60 GB 50 GB पड़े हुए हैं. I'm just like time to utilize them because शेख कंजूस. I will obviously make sure कि पैसा वसूलो. I will obviously do that, so that is what I'm going to do now. I hope that you guys had fun watching this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!